Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to open Zerodha account. Things to keep handy. First, Aadhaar card. Second, PAN card. Third, a blank pen and paper. Fourth, your bank account detail, cancel check or passbook. Fifth, mobile phone where you will be receiving all your OTPs. Sixth, access to the email ID where you will receive OTPs. So, first what you have to do is that you have to search zerodha.com on your browser, click on Zerodha official website and then you will get a page like this. Scroll down, click on sign up now, enter your mobile number and then click on continue. Enter the OTP received. So either continue with the already logged in email ID on your this device or enter name and new email ID. A page like this will appear. Click on continue. First step, enter your PAN card number and your date of birth. Then click on continue. Second step, choose the segment. For now, select all the three options. We will learn more about this in future videos. Accept to the terms and condition and click on continue. Third step, you will automatically get your address in this square box. For this, if your address is as per Aadhaar, then select the second option or select the first option. Then click on continue. Then click on the continue to DigiLocker. Enter your Aadhaar card number and CAPTCHA and then click next. Enter the OTP received on your Aadhaar link mobile number. Then click on continue. After that, enter your DigiLocker PIN. If you don't remember the PIN, then click on forget security PIN. Set up the new PIN and then enter the new PIN generated and click on continue. It will take you to DigiLocker site. Click on allow to give consent to share these given details with Zerodha platform. This step is successful. After this, KYC is done on this platform. Now enter your profile details like your marital status, parents' name, your annual income, trading experience, your occupation, and when do you want to receive the settlement from this Zerodha platform. For now, select whatever you want to, then click on continue. Fourth step, linking your bank account. If you want fund transfer through UPI, select the first option. Or if you want through bank, then select the second option. Click on continue. Enter your bank account details. If you select the UPI option, then you will get to select the UPI account. Select the UPI account you have on your this device. At this moment, you will be paying 1 rupees from your UPI to Zerodha, which will be reversed to you within 1 or 2 hours. Then click on continue. Fifth step, now allow Zerodha to access camera. Take pen and paper, write the number appear on screen and hold the paper as shown on the screen and click on capture. Sixth step, upload the documents, upload your cancel check or your statement. Click on upload, select the file and it's successfully done. Now scroll down under signature, select upload and then digitally sign on screen. And once done, click on done. Your signature is uploaded, then click on continue. Seventh step, add nominees. If you want to add nominees, click on first option. Either you can skip by selecting the second option, then click on continue. If you select the first option, then you have to add your nominee details and then click on continue. Last step is digitally sign your application. Click on e-sign, accept to the terms and condition, click on sign now. Enter your Aadhaar card number and then click on send OTP. Enter the OTP received, then click on verify OTP. Now your profile has been verified. Click on sign now and you have successfully digitally signed your document. Click on finish. Then you will get your Zerodha ID. Note this ID down somewhere. And now Zerodha will take 24 working hours to verify your account opening application form. Now you can click on login to Kite, which is Zerodha mobile application. If you click on login Kite, it will ask you to download, set up the password, then download the application. Click on login to Kite, enter your Zerodha ID which you have just created, enter the password which you have just created and then click on login. I hope by now you know how to set up Zerodha account. That's all for this video. Thank you.